Hey guys, this will be my second video demonstrating what I've learned so far with Unity, C#, and now Blender. It's nothing spectacular, but I've been following a tutorial series, actually a couple of them by Sebastian Leg on YouTube. I'll have a link to the tutorial series I've been following, but I want you guys to see this is pretty. I mean, for those of you that have done Project Spark, I don't want to say it's simple because it's not for everybody, but it's not as hard as we may have imagined it to be. So anyway, I just want to go ahead and show you guys this here. I'm going to hit play. The game's going to be on my right, and the scene, like kind of what I'm working on, is going to be on the left. That's where I can actually work on the game. So this is what you'll see. Right now I'm using this chibi character, so you can't actually see the walk animation in the game, but if you look at the screen on the left, you can actually see the walk animation. And he holds this gun here, and he actually shoots the gun. You see a shell come out, you see a little ray of fire, and you hear an audio. The walk animation, I mean, it's not perfect, but it's my first one, so I'm pretty excited about it. Rigging and animating is probably the hardest part. The code is actually, if you know Project Spark, it's not too difficult. Obviously I'm a pro at making trees, I mean, come on now. So all these objects, the little tree, the barrel, and the pillars, the character, and the gun, those are all things that I made in Blender. I'll show you one more little thing here. I have this set up so I can switch out my guns pretty easily. In the next part of the tutorial series that I'm watching, I think he's going to show us how to set up all your guns on hotkeys and stuff and be able to switch with the push of a button. But right now I have to change a little bit of the script. So this is a semi-automatic gun. I'll show you, I'll make sure you can see it in both screens. But yeah, this one you can hold it down. It's like 600 RPMs or something like that. And then if you look at the shells on the ground, they'll slowly disappear, so they're not taking up CPU. So that's pretty cool. You can also click. Yeah, that's what I've done there. And I think that's all I have to show for now. But this is using C#, obviously, Unity, and Blender. And I don't know, you can probably crank out something in a few hours if you just dedicate some time to it. Anyway, this is not a pro video, so don't determine whether or not you like it on how good a quality it is as far as the game design. Just know that this is just my way of showing people that it doesn't take a whole lot to get the motivation and to have the skill to make something. You know, this is obviously nothing sellable, but it doesn't take a lot to get something going. So be motivated, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you guys around. Thank you so much.